first cold start with the dumps. This is about to be stupid loud. Literally just straight 4.6 noise. It's loud. Oh my gosh. Ooh, somebody just got ripped over there too. I don't know y'all see that. We are entering Copland. And as we enter Copland, look what we see right here. Damn, that's a bitch. This thing is fucking loud. I gotta replace my IAC, but this is like actually like incredibly loud. Like I'm doing a little bit of hard pulls here. I'm not going full watt just because, I mean, I ain't doing it in this area. And there really is it's like when you're like actually getting on it, obviously is when it's loud. like won the Borla ATAK. Oh yeah, this definitely is louder and passes it. It's a race car now, boys. Just backfiring like crazy too. Sheesh. I'm so happy I don't daily drive this car, man. I mean, I said it wouldn't be bad, but just being on edge. I think that's like the more kind of annoying part. Like I gotta be looking around now for sure, because it's like, hey, look at me type loud. I mean, we got the blower mixed with the dump and like the 4-inch cowl hood with the radials on the back, and it's a white car with a black dude in it. I mean, bro, it's a lot of shit sticking out. As I said, entering Copland. I don't know what the hell's going on up here though. What the hell's going on up here? Are they issuing a sobriety test? Oh, what the fuck? Crazy ass pilot. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the joyride. I want to go ahead and show you guys how loud this car actually is when you do some pulls and some revs with the dumps. Now, if you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys drop a like of the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those post notifications. Thank you guys for 11K. You guys have been absolutely killing it. Now, I actually did go ahead and make some changes to the dumps that honestly I think altered the sound of it a little bit. It's a lot deeper now and we're not scraping. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly what it looks like now compared to when it originally was installed onto the car. I think it looks a lot better. So as you guys can see, car is dumped, literally. No exhaust tips, no exhaust at all for that matter. Now, what actually was done is actually I cut the tips a little bit more so they're not actually as long, and they're also turned to the sides a little bit more now, so it's actually not going to be scraping the ground, and it's also not going to be going ahead and just angled directly toward the ground, which kind of gave it like the extra loudness that was kind of crazy. Like the drone on the highway, because I actually was on the highway yesterday just cruising. The drone, before I actually went ahead and modified it, was actually pretty fucking bad. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty bad. About like 65, 70, and fifth gear was kind of crazy, man. I'm gonna put a clip right now so you guys can actually understand what I'm talking about. But the drone was OD. But right now, I think it actually is a lot better. It doesn't scrape because after I went ahead and cut it, I looked at the old tips and they were all scraped up. It was hitting speed bumps, it was hitting, you know, small angles and stuff on the road. Any imperfection, it was getting caught and scraping, so that had to go. And obviously, as you back up from the car now, you don't really see, of course it's starting to get windy, you don't really see the exhaust at all. Like before, this far back, you would literally see the turn downs. Ooh, that's Texas for you. You would see the turn downs just like pointed down to the ground. It looked kind of awkward. I don't like the way it looked. Again, excuse the background noise. They got a little football game or whatever going on. But and they going crazy over there. But you guys can see back here, it looks a lot better. It's not as pronounced, which is what I wanted. I didn't want it to look like it was just angled directly down to the ground, because that just looked kind of weird in my opinion. But I think it's pretty mint right now. I'm really happy with it. It's loud as fuck. But as far as inside, it's livable inside here. It really is. But yeah, man, let me know what y'all think. If this is something that you guys might want to do to your car, I'm kind of making these videos so you guys can get an idea on what you're getting into. Again, we're not really scraping or anything. Before, if I had the other turn down tips, how they were cut previously, I would have scraped right there. And obviously, we're not scraping, which is super good. It's super deep now. Like it's way deeper than what it was before. Don't hate me, we're about to roll this stoplight. Or stop sign, I should say. But honestly, I like it. It backfires and pops a lot. With cams, it would be kind of crazy. I will say that. Like, I'm really curious to see in here what this car is gonna sound like with cams. I think it's honestly gonna shake the car a lot too, which is cool, fuck it. But I definitely feel like this car is gonna be shaking. These downshifts, man. It's way deeper now. It's not like bouncing off the ground as much. Damn, bro, he let that bitch loose. This really is a neck breaker now, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my God. It like pops a lot more. Like it pops a lot more now.